Yesterday, OnePlus rolled out Open Beta 14 and Open Beta 4 for OnePlus 7 series and 7T series with some new features. Like they have got new clock styles for OnePlus 7 and 7 series. Initially we had only 3 clock styles available, but with this latest update we get total 10 clock styles on OnePlus 7 series devices. If you guys are running stable channel, then you can migrate to beta channel. All the download links are given in the description below for both the devices, OnePlus 7T series and OnePlus 7 series. You just need to download that file and place it inside the internal storage. Make sure to place that file inside root directory of your internal storage. And if you are migrating from stable channel to beta channel, then your data won't be affected. Once you copy that file, place it inside the internal storage, go to system update section, tap on the gear icon towards the right top corner, select local upgrade, and you can choose the file. This way you can upgrade your device to beta channel from stable channel. In one of the posts, OnePlus said that they'll be adding dark mode switch in the quick setting panel. And it will be having internal testing before pushing Open Beta version to wider users. But if you guys are running Open Beta 14 on your OnePlus 7 and 7 Pro and Open Beta 4 on your OnePlus 7T and 7T Pro, then you can enable this switch by just going to settings, about section, tap on the build number 7 times until you see you are a developer now. After that, go back to system, developer options. Inside the developer option, you can find quick setting developer tiles from where you can enable dark mode. So once you enable this, you can find dark mode switch in the quick setting panel. There are few more tiles for testing purpose, you can avoid them. You can enable dark mode from here, and once you are done with that, then you can directly turn on dark mode from quick setting panel. You might face some issues enabling or disabling it. The animations are not pretty smooth as it's for testing purpose. This feature will be available soon without having to enable from developer settings. So guys, people who are running Open Beta, they can enable dark mode switch from developer option. So guys, this was a simple method to enable dark switch in quick setting panel. If you are running Open Beta 14 on your OnePlus 7 series or Open Beta 4 on your OnePlus 7T series. How many of you prefer dark mode switch in quick setting panel? So guys, that's it in today's video. Hope you like the video, and if you like the video, then do give me a thumbs up. Also, if you're new to my channel, then do not forget to subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.